Hello guys, good morning. Itong makikita guys, isang Roman Amphitheater sa Tarragona, Spain. Isa na siya ngayong tourist spots. Itong na to guys, itong amphitheater na to, meron siyang history na sa libro. Kadalasan makita mo siya sa mga almanac, yung mga world history. Marami pa dapat yung kaya lang yung iba inuhukay pa kasi nga siyempre sa luma na patagal na masyado guys, makita nyo pero inaano pa nila, they're trying to excavate everything so the ruins will come out. Some are still but due to long years, as you can see guys, mostly are not in good condition, but some are the original parts of the amphitheater, as you can see. Yeah, but it's still good guys. Marami siyang history guys na malalaman. Kasi bawat area nilagyan nila ng label o yun kanya. So it's already lunch guys, time back to ship. So I hope you will enjoy this video guys. There are a lot more to this place, but ito lang muna, dalawa. Marami silang may offer for tourism guys, but sinabi ko nga, nagtatrabaho tayo. Vlogging is a part only ko, sayang din naman na hindi ko mai-share yung mga I'm happy to share you guys all the nice places I've been there. So see you around. Thank you. Ito guys, party pa rin to ng amphitheater. Ito bali yung mga quarters ng mga warriors ng araw.